Right, so me and Search, we're here mulching out the wall. We've already painted it that nice blue, and then we're going to do the other side. It's a huge spot, so I'm trying to get as many writers as I can down here for Friday. Probably get 4 pieces on this big wall here, mixed in with characters, and then on this wall probably 3 pieces, but it's a huge underpass. You can see the size of it there. It's probably 3 big pieces and characters on that wall, 4 on this side, so about a total of 7 writers. Yes, YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today we're painting a Peter Pan themed mural. I've got the OG,
yes.
Charlie the Governor.
What's happening?
He's getting busy today, and the rest will be coming on Friday to complete the burners. Char.
Yeah. Oh, what's happening? What's that? It's coming.
It's looking sick.
Sick, yeah. Taking my time today.
Charlie the Governor. It's looking sick.
Great workouts and so much more.
Yes, Charles done for today. He's kicked out a burner.
Yes, yes. You've done no real
Isn't it? Done no. Charlie Governor. Burner. And then I've done a small amount compared to what Charles done, but it's the detail that's gone in here. It's taken me all day. Look, size of Peter Pan's face, size of my hand. Right, so back down at the underpass. It's taken me and Search 2 days just to emulsion the blue. So just to put that in perspective, it's a huge underpass. We did a watery coat first, a 50-50 mix with water and masonry. Then we did a full strength coat, and it just looks amazing. And I've added some characters to the wall. We've got some sketches over there. Search is an early bird, he's doing his thing. So he's here and he's getting busy. We're still waiting for the rest of the team to turn up. We're going to have a lot of kings on the wall today. You know how we do, kings. Shout outs to Memo IBS crew. IBS, illegal business. Funky railroad freaks. Shout out to you for the t-shirt, Kings. So that's King's Paint. Check him out on Instagram if you want to get one of these t-shirts. Yeah, so the lads have turned up. Everybody's here now painting. I'll take you on a little tour. We've got Baps here just about to start sketching up. We've got Search whizzing through his infill. We've got a Cross and we've got Sayer. So yeah, some burners going to be happening today.